Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. If you guys are enjoying these updates, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Pepe right now as of June 29th, you guys can see we have about 5 zeros still in front of the price, currently sitting at 155. We're up 4.1% over the last 24 hours in USD compared, and also we're up in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours, which is a huge plus point. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $650 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is approaching that $200 million mark. You guys do want to watch this video till the absolute end because, the charts have done something very, very interesting that is really bullish. So sit back and tune in till the end and we will cover that. So some more positive news that is coming out for Pepe, and this news that I'm about to share with you guys is not a surprise because this is what I've been talking to you guys about for a while, and now that this has been published, not shocking me at all. So what is this news all about? So Pepe has proven extremely popular with Turkish traders on Binance amid the fiat's most recent crashes. So basically what they're saying is Turkish traders are really interested in Pepe. Of course, after that massive jump that we have just seen, we've seen Pepe do 100% gain over the past 2 weeks, and that move happened within a week time frame, and a lot of interest is going to come in. Everyone is talking about Pepe, so this is not a surprise to me at all, and I think this is just the absolute beginning, because as we do go further into this bull market, more and more eyes are going to come on Pepe. And I think Coinbase is seeing Gemini. You can see this for yourself. Gemini, Tyler Winklevoss, not Was, came out and posted this. You guys can see this for yourself, and obviously he is one of the founders of Gemini, and we know that they listed Pepe yesterday on the derivative side, which I'm not a big fan of. I hate derivatives. I hate leverage trading. I want my viewers to stay away from there. But basically, what I'm trying to say is that he has come out and reposted this, so retweeted this, saying, yeah, we have it listed on Gemini derivatives. Now Coinbase, it's competitors. Coinbase and Gemini are competitors. If you're not aware, they're in the same market. So now Coinbase is looking at this and saying, we need to get things going. And we know that obviously after the SEC situation that was going on with Coinbase has come out and literally stopped all the rumors, because obviously after Coinbase was hit by the SEC, people were thinking that Coinbase is not going to do no more listings, but Coinbase literally came and in a way just literally silented all the rumors that are going around that, there's no listing, because they came out and said, VeChain is going to be listed on their roadmap. So that really shows that their listing process is still going, and I think Pepe is going to be one of the next ones. If Coinbase Assets comes out and announces, hey, we will be listing Pepe on our roadmap, even if they just say that, you could expect that Pepe is going to explode, because in a way that mentions that we are going to list it. It's just not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. But looking at the price, you guys can see price is looking great. As I mentioned earlier in the video, something very interesting happened, and can you guys guess what that interesting thing is? If you're looking at the charts, I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Let's see if you guys can guess what I'm about to say. So I will count down to 10 in just my head. All right, that's enough time for you guys. Okay, so what I was going to say is, obviously yesterday, you guys can see we broke below this level of support, and we know how strong this level of support really played out for the price of Pepe, basically since the beginning of this, since the beginning of this breakout. And you can see this for yourself. We've been supported here countless of times, and I've shared this with you guys so many different times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th time we broke below it. So we saw the price of Pepe obviously fall below it, and once it fell below, look where we got stopped. Look where we got stopped. What did I tell you guys before? If the price were to lose the support, this is that next support line, and literally we saw the price go down to that spot. And if you manage to pick up some Pepe around that range, you are already up about 10%. And the most important thing is not that, you know, Pepe is up 10%. The most important thing I want you guys to keep in mind is the fact that it has reclaimed above this level of resistance. It continues to show you the momentum Pepe has for itself. You know, this move could have been whale manipulation. It could have been derivatives. It could have been, you know, some massive longs being liquidated. You know, there's so much things that go into it. But moves like this, the rebounds, this is what shows, you know, the momentum, the interest level, and you can see this for yourself. It speaks for itself, and that is what I am extremely bullish about. And not only that, if we're looking at Bitcoin on the other hand, Bitcoin also is going back and forth as I shared in my ladies update. You know, we're starting to see Bitcoin, since it has, you know, hit a new yearly high, we're seeing you know, longs getting liquidated, you know, shorts getting liquidated, longs getting liquidated, shorts getting liquidated, and this is what you call a whale manipulation game. And this is why you do not want to be leverage trading. If you think, oh yeah, things are looking great, Pepe is just gonna go up or Bitcoin is just gonna continue going up, no, because these type of moves happen, and this is caused by the whales. And that's why I'm super against leverage trading. So do not fall for these leverage trading platform strategies. I'm not going to name some exchanges out there that have, you know, come out on my channel, offered me great amounts of money to promote it, but I don't believe in it, and I don't want any of my viewers, you know, doing leverage trading. And that's why I stick to what I say. Everyone has their own point, but I'm not a big fan of it, and I would never promote that on my exchange. I'm sorry, not on my exchange, on my channel. And you know, money comes and goes, to be honest. As I've said to you guys before, you know, that if that was the important thing, wouldn't I be, you know, promoting all this stuff? You know, I get so many sponsored content, but I'm very picky, very picky. So, you know, it's not about the money. I just have passion to do this, and, you know, it's super passionate about this, and I just want my viewers to stay happy and, you know, obviously do the right things. And the right thing instead would be is to make an exit strategy. If you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, make an exit strategy where you promise yourself that you won't be getting greedy when you are sitting at some massive profits, and you will pull out. Because if you don't, unfortunately speaking, you will be left behind. Listen from a guy who's been in the markets for 8 years and has made mistakes left and right. So listen from me, and I promise you this will help you if you do, you know, put this strategy into play, because you do want to be locking in profits when you see the profits come. But looking at the holder count, once again, another all-time high. We haven't even spoken about the holder count today, which I forgot about, but look at that. Look at that. What is this telling us? This is telling us so much interest is in Pepe, and this is not a surprise to me at all. And we could be approaching, you know, the 130,000 holder count next month. You know, obviously next month is rolling by, so things are looking really exciting. I am expecting, of course, the price of Pepe to hit that you know, massive target at that 2067 cents mark, and only way we could do that is once we get to the new year monthly high. But obviously June is about to come to an end. But basically, in other words, we do need to see the price above this range here. I'll just draw it for you guys. So around here, which is only a 16% move. And if you're, you know, in crypto for a while, you know, these type of moves can happen really fast, especially for projects that have a lot of hype built into it. And a lot of people are going to come say, oh, Pepe is not moving. Crypto ZX, Pepe is not moving. What are you talking about? It's not moving. Let me tell you something. Let's go back to June 15th and come to the current price levels. They're still up 84.3%, so I don't want to hear anything. But, you know, thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you guys. Follow me on Twitter if you have not already. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.